So this surveillance lecture was pretty controversial, huh?
Yeah, like she said at the end, that's a sobering thought, wouldn't you say?
Well, I don't think any of us would disagree with her. I mean, she said not all surveillance is for our own good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But I have a question. She says something like Orwellian. What is that?
Orwellian. Yeah, she's talking about George Orwell. He wrote a book called 1984. It's about the surveillance society. In that book, they coined the expression, Big Brother's watching you.
Yeah, but I don't think it's that bad just yet. I think she's exaggerating a little bit. I don't think that Big Brother is watching over us all the time.
Okay, maybe not all the time, but I mean, should there be some sort of limit to it? I mean, is it really all for our own good or for our own safety?
Well, like when I ride the subway at night and I know that there's a video camera on the train, I feel safer. So for me, I mean, it's fine with me.
Well, of course, some of it is useful, but a lot of it is intrusive. Like the traffic cameras that feed to the internet site. Many of them can look into people's home and you can see everything.
Wow, so like everything about you can instantly be on the internet?
Yes.
Wow, that is totally wrong.
So in general, we all agree that some surveillance is necessary, but not all surveillance is good.
Say so?
Yeah, in a nutshell.
More or less, that's it.
Okay, so can we say that we're all on the same page for this? Okay, let's move on. What's next?